Hello everyone, and welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a user an administrator in Windows 10, so you can give other users full access to manage your PC. Step 1. Click on the search box at the bottom left of your screen, type Control Panel, and then click on Control Panel to open it. This is where you can access many important system settings. Step 2. Once Control Panel opens, set View by the category, so it's easier to navigate through all the options. Step 3. Click on User Accounts, which is where you can manage all the users on your computer. Step 4. Click again on User Accounts to open more detailed options for account management. Step 5. Click on Manage Another Account, which allows you to select any user on your PC that you want to modify. Step 6. Click on the user account that you want to make an administrator. This could be a standard user that needs more access. Step 7. Click on Change the Account Type, which lets you modify the user's permissions on the PC. Step 8. Select Administrator from the options. This will give the user full control over the computer, including installing apps and changing system settings. Step 9. Finally, click on Change Account Type to save your changes and make the user an administrator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.